Hey guys, so we just launched a new version of the app and wanted to give you a quick tour of what's going on. So we've actually rebuilt the entire thing from scratch using the latest technologies here. So it should be much faster and smarter and continue to improve as we get ready for the upcoming launch of V7. So let's see what's new. We've added a lot of improvements here for Ultra, especially letting you customize the app in more and more ways. One thing we've heard from a lot of people is it's either too much data or they want more stuff. It really depends on your goals. Some people want to see their food. Some people only want to see their places. And so now, to make everyone happy, we've added some new customization here where you can actually customize your navigation. So there's a few that are built in by default, the U tab and health. Everyone needs those. But besides that, you can customize what you want to see the shortcuts for. Now, these are also available in the main menu, but this being a tab, it just gives you easier access. And you can also now change the color. So if you've got a favorite color, you just want the app to look a certain way, now you have really full control. You can make it be something that you're excited to check daily and is super streamlined and clean and matches you as a person. So the first tab here, we've streamlined the U tab to have all of the information about you, what's going on today, yesterday. I can just flip back and forth between these. And we've made the navigation now super streamlined and intuitive. So you can also press the plus menu to add anything and track it really easily. And the food camera comes up. So we've made this really reliable to just see the camera ASAP and have one unified spot that you just get in the habit of using instead of having lots of different ways to track. And you can also use the other options here. And below that, now you'll see here we've added little bars here to shortcuts for your targets for the day. So you can see here, it's not ideal, but my calories are going up, but I haven't really had much protein or fiber yet. So that's something I'm going to have to do. And I can click on that to see what I had and see the full page. And with the gestures, you can also just swipe to close it. So super simple. And now we've made this super nice, so you can just really nicely slide it open and closed. You can also press the buttons. And then on the other side, we've got your menu with all your navigation options and your customization, your AI coaches, and more. So that's the new apps layout. And so in the health tab, we've also streamlined this to have everything about your health in one screen. So at the top here, you have an insight from your AI that looks at everything you've got in the app, your health score, your goals, your recent history, gives you just really the summary of what you need to know. And now we've moved everything into these sections. So what was previously tabs, now you've got here and you can see your grades and more info. One of the important features here that we've made much smarter is the custom targets. So these will now be intelligently calculated for you based on all the data. For example, I've been walking a lot more lately as I've been traveling, and so my calorie burn has actually gone up, which is cool to see. So this will get calculated every week as new data comes in. And then you can set your goals and see your personalized targets for you. And these are calculated pretty aggressively to try to get you the best results possible while still having high calories. So make sure you really read all the instructions, but getting the right protein, fiber, avoiding sugar, etc. will be important. But these will also be balanced. So it's not super strict where, oh, let's set the target of sugar to 5 grams or something silly that you're not actually going to reach. So it looks at what you've been eating and what's possible and what you're trying to do, finds the best balance for you. So you can actually hit these targets daily and get the results, not just for a few days, but for the rest of your life. So we made these a lot smarter. Give it a try. You can switch back to custom mode still if you're on Ultra and you really want to just fully control it. But for most people, we recommend setting it to intelligent targets now and using those. We've also added a widget. So it's one of our most commonly requested features. You've got the app icon, but you can also just open the widget and get back to the app. So you can make that as big as you want, take over your whole home screen. If you have trouble remembering to open the app or manage your health, this will really make that front and center and easier to access. So that's some of the new stuff in the new version. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Thanks.